Imagine building this luxury backyard shed in just one weekend. Most people spend thousands on pre-built sheds that fall apart in a year. But with these professional step-by-step blueprints, you'll build a masterpiece that lasts a lifetime for a fraction of the cost. No more guesswork, no more wasted wood, just clear, easy-to-follow plans for any skill level. Your dream workshop or garden shed is just one click away. Get the full 16,000 plans package in the link in my bio and start building today.